Hello everyone, today I want to share a useful trick with you how to create your own restart button on your iPhone. Pressing the physical buttons to restart manually isn't always convenient, so here's a simple solution using the built-in shortcuts app. For that we're just going to create one and just open the shortcuts app, and let me open it first so you can see what have I done so far. So as you can see, I've already created a personalized shortcut with green icon and matching color with maps icon given in it, so you can make your own. Just go to add, create new shortcut, look for shutdown and change the trigger to restart. Once you do that, it's going to give you the restart action. And for privacy, I recommend you to create unique color and icon so that no one else knows what the shortcut does if you hand over your phone. So once you're done with the thing like color and shortcut, that's all. And then you can tap the play button. It will trigger the restart option just for checking if it's working or not. So we are done with this. Now if we just go to check, let's open and let's test it out. It's working, it's coming it with the pop-up, so now it's more convenient. And now to make this working, just add to the home screen and that's it. So now this is super handy, and you can always restart your phone with this thing, with this simple shortcut, and you don't have to press your physical buttons anymore. So this is a super handy trick, and if you didn't already know about it, you don't have to struggle anymore. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.